Hazy and dry weather may be possible throughout early summer, along with a small sudden drops in temperatures throughout the end of This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio. These systems are equipped to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, important information, news, or instructions depending on the hazard would have followed the alert tone. These monthly tests normally occur on the fourth Tuesday of each month, or in coordination with EAS participants. This concludes this monthly test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio.